Jesus, you're so funny. Oh, my one has finished. Waiter!
Hold up!
Don't worry.
God have mercy upon us.
She's not with a man to.
What's up, my people on the day? Welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. I remain your humble boy, OBIKING, and so please make sure to stick to the very end because you know what I do. I always try my best to give you bangers upon bangers. You understand? So the least you can do for me is to watch to the very end. Subscribe if you're yet to do that, and drop nice comments. It's very, very important. And if you have not been sharing my video, I don't know, share my video now. Waiting, share my video. I beg. But anyways, let's go have some fun.
Amazing.
Who be that way they disturb my speech?
I know this now. I want to see for something.
What's happen?
Continue.
I beg, Mama Isaac, let me insult.
What do you want you sorted?
What I want insult?
You want cook now?
God have mercy upon us.
What do you want you sorted?
Okay.
Yeah, I cook one white rice on my side. I want to put this on.
Talkless. Everybody for this company know say you not get gas, you not get stove. So what do you want you say? As in, how you want to cook the rice? What do you want to cook the rice?
Mama Isaac, now the sorter ask you they bring all this insult.
Oh, you know what you want you sorted? You are not this sorted.
Wait. Not this. I want this so this guy where I buy.
And now you did talk because I know say that Gary you want soup.
You know they depress you.
But make I tell you now, my dear, leave this Gary. If they want food, we be like say my pikin no shop. Make I give you that food, make you do alright.
Mama Isaac, no worry, no, just give me insult now. Don't give me guys.
Oga rest, when you see the food, you go know what I dey talk. Make I go bring am come.
No, they tire Jesus. So.
And the food be this.
I'm not giving anybody my food though.
Ha!
I been no best talk this, eh? My pikin say,
Okay.
you want chop the food.
No wahala now.
Man, still bring the salt.
Aji, keep salt.
Keep short, I mean keep short. Which one? Which of the two?
This is the final bus stop.
So this one has self-content?
Self-con. Straight up, everything. This one we'll call it payment on delivery.
Okay.
The moment you pay, we'll deliver the rest of the things into the compound.
No window.
Everything will be fixed. The socket, the door, the shower, showers of blessing. Go in, check it out. Feel free. Explore.
Showers
This is your
of
new home. It's called dwelling place. Explore it. Everything will be put. Once you make payments to be put, just look at it.
Okay, this one how much?
It's 300,000.
For this place?
On the dot.
Bros, what in I own at 250?
250.
Yes.
50,000. Okay, take it. It's fine. Yeah, 250 will work. But you won't delay my agency fee.
Now how much?
It's just 150,000.
Are you mad?
150,000 for agency fee.
House 250, agency 150.
I won't lie to you.
Who will stay inside?
That's the structure. Check it. The ambience is serene.
Another one, no day.
Okay, come. Let me show you this one. Maybe let's not look like. Now you can take this other one. This one is readier than this. This one has sockets. This one doesn't have sockets.
So this one not get socket?
Yes.
Okay, so this one get socket?
On the point, you charge anything you want to charge.
Okay.
Yes.
Actually, I will prefer this one so that the person that will stay here can be begging me to charge.
Whatever. You can even start any business, maybe charging business or something.
You know that pride. Yeah?
So it's better. Everything is on point. The gate.
So this is how much?
This is 400,000 on the dot.
Ross, what did I tell you before? I tell you what did I hold here at 250? I don't get past 250.
This is 400. My agency fee 150 added. I won't cheat you.
I mean, one bedroom, not my thing. No.
You're a promising young man.
Yeah.
I want to help you. That 250 we're supposed to pay here, add the 150 for my agency fee and just take the house. Forget about me. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Yeah, man.
Let's just do something different.
Yeah, man.
People see agents as agents of darkness. Let me do something different for you.
Man.
It's fine.
I must say, your kind of agent is rare.
You move into this place and you will make it in life. You appreciate me. I'm okay. No matter how long it takes.
So how will we do for the payment so that I will just pay, make I pack in tomorrow?
I'll send you the account of the landlord. Once you transfer, send me the receipt. Then immediately.
This is a person house
Move in
now.
anytime.
No be there.
God have mercy upon us.
You know the back here, no? Sabinus.
Sabinus, oh, it's too Sabio. Sabinus, Agkaay Sabinus, Itu Sabio, Agkaay Sabinus.
Who can't get all this crate today?
Yeah!
Ah, bros, what on?
How you doing now?
You rent house around this place.
You the quick forget.
Forget what?
Oh, me and you collect house here.
Yeah! Collect which house?
I give you 150,000, I join you 250 now. Everything now together next now.
Jesus! How agent will find house for person? Go to stay with the person for the same house.
That's so contribute. Everybody they merge now.
Hey! Bros, you explain yourself. Behave yourself.
Oh yeah, Rona, calm down.
Hey!
I don't understand what's happening here. You will explain to me.
Send that bush. Oh yeah.
From the bush.
Oh yeah, mommy, man. Oh yeah. Carry this inside. Inside, don't go. Oh yeah, bring the pump. Carry him inside.
Who bought this scooter?
The pikin be like who they adopt, abi?
Okay, no problem.
Carry this in enter, leave and no worry. Carry, oh yeah. Inside.
Sabinus, I don't do you for one night.
It is in our play.
Who bought you?
She get engaged.
Papa, that room no contain me. That room too small.
Go manage, yeah? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You can see where power won't reach.
I don't understand what's happening here.
We won't take it down. And they wait for you.
Boss, what's the meaning of this?
Give me 1 hour. I want to have a family meeting with my family in our new home, Femla Bush. I'll see you soon.
Bros, I had family problems for the place where they stayed before. And I'm here again to meet a family I don't know about. Kindly gather yourself with that scooter when they are where you carry put inside this place and bring that.
Screw up. They don't do you for one night. I don't understand. Should this guy think they happen? So now you pay money for agents. I don't understand.
Now wow. I've never wake yourself, no food.
Better days ahead, bro.
Better days, you tell me.
Believe.
Believe.
Babe!
A fine girl, oh.
Welcome.
Auntie, welcome.
Are you whining yourself?
I bought you guys food. Babe! Hold my phone, I'm coming. I'm pressed.
Alright.
That is why I tell you, I'm a joy giver in the center.
Chop food now, you the first one.
Oh, what's up now?
At the corner.
They look at phone.
I am a silent killer.
Babe! Babe, who is saving number with Bestie? I love emoji.
Hey!
Oh, bestie. It's just a good friend of mine.
Is that me?
Hey! I just say now this your friend. I they give you money, make they buy food, they call for me, make the shop happy.
It's my money now, but sometimes he dash me money.
Lie!
Liar!
Big lie!
Too lie!
You are cheating on me. You are a shit.
Hey!
Take your phone.
Babe!
Don't touch me. Please leave my house.
What have I done with
Leave my
myself? Go.
Kiriku, are you going with me?
I have more to go. This person when you defeat, they pursue. That means they pursue me too now. What they go?
But I'm not cheating on your uncle.
That no matter, you no need to explain. Where your bestie dey?
You think it's a joke? He lives close to my house.
Come to like your bestie younger brother.
Kiriku! Where they go?
I bet shift. I you no get money in the fair faithful relationship. You see you don't go back and when they feed you.
Jesus. Babe, wait.
Oh my God!
Come on, the girl get yash. The girl get yash. Man, no lie, she get yash.
Jesus, you're so funny.
Jesus.
Oh, my one has finished. Waiter!
Hold up!
Soso.
Don't worry.
God have
And as soon as they carry go.
It's not what a man do.
Hallelujah!
going on here?
Say you the one. Wait, how many things, Bessie? Which kind of life do you?
That is spoil show for her.
Jesus loves the little children.
Up and get full
The children of the world.
You go change that for this season also. This season is a spoil show for them.
Hello? I'm here already.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's about time for we to separate the boys from the men.
Jesus don't go heal him. Who go give him money? Who go pay him?
Great Alonalo community. Greatest Alonalo community.
You're welcome, Your Excellencies. This is our people, the people that I want to lead. These are the people that are coming out for the forthcoming election to spearhead the affairs of this country and community. So the floor is open. People are free to ask them any question you want. Pour out your heart because they are your leaders. Tell them your needs. Yes, you can ask them.
Pour out your heart.
The floor is open.
Hey, Honorable, I say make I ask, how you they intend to cure the hunger waiting for this land? Because the thing don't too plenty, oh.
Thank you for that very wonderful question, my dear sister. You see, hunger gets to the heart of a man inadequately and it leads to poverty alleviation, regardless. Now, let me tell you something. Improved productivity in order to ensure adequate consumption. How? Through interest-free loans to farmers and good transportation. The mode of transportation is going to be transmitted via good roads and all channels so that it can be evenly distributed within the geopolitical zones. I rest my case.
Please, tell us how you intend to tackle fuel price. The inflation of fuel is too much. Today, 1,000, tomorrow 1,400. Please, tell us how you intend to tackle fuel price so that the poor masses can afford fuel. We are trekking too much.
Thank you very much for that wonderful question. Now, my administration, if I am elected, I will ensure that all our PMS comes rightly produced here. Our refineries shall be up and running. I will ensure that all our PMS will be produced here in Nigeria in order to ensure that the poor masses have something tangible to purchase. I rest my case.
Now,
yes.
What is the hope of the youth and the elders of this community when you win this election?
Very good.
They say what an elder sees sitting, even a young man like me, even if I climb the highest Iroko tree, I cannot see it. That is where I come in, to create the synergy within the youth and the elders. What do you need? Pension scheme. All your pension arrears shall be paid as and when due. You have my word. You will not stand in any queue. You just access it online from the comfort of your homes, and your pensions, both 15 years in arrears, we shall pay it adequately.
Honorable, you have spoken well.
Thank you.
You all have heard what he said. So let us also ask incoming some questions.
Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense.
Incoming, sir. Yes? How do you handle insecurity in the northern part of the country and that of the Niger Delta?
Thank you so much for that very wonderful question. To curtail the insecurity in the northern part of Nigeria and that of the Niger Delta, these are my following actions. Number one, I'm going to send 50 bags of rice to the north. Then I'm going to send 60 bags of rice to the Niger Delta.
Diabetes and sugar too much for Nigeria, Hospital, diabetes. How do you intend to do about it?
In order to battle the increased rate of diabetes in Nigeria, during my first week in office, I'm going to move from one hospital to one hospital, one pharmacy to one pharmacy, one clinic to one clinic, and share rice.
I don't graduate for the past 4 years. I don't get work. And the unemployment rate in the Niger Delta for the youth is too much. How do you intend to handle that?
To tackle unemployment in the Niger Delta, I am going to call out for every unemployed youth and give them rice.
Reality of what's happening in Nigeria.
For some states, I won't take reservoir.
To every state in Nigeria that is suffering flood cases, I'm going to share rice.
And people down there the state of Nigeria.
They talk about rice, sharing rice here, there since this debate starts. Income, when you enter power, how do you intend to get all this rice when you want share?
Are the customs not there? The customs are there.
Yeah. My God.
I swear.
Rice. You
It is the problem of now. Everything rice. Now what with this? Rice.
Kaima saw me the prodigal. Them say no
Can't do
forever
that.
won't get me that.
Thank you. Can I have your number?
Oh, yeah.
Hey! What for your work? That's what I do for you. Hey!
Don't die, my friend.
Driver, I'm dropping here.
Hey!
Women.
Plan work.
Thank you. Can I still get your number?
Oh, yeah.
Would they play your phone?
I'll cram it.
005.
005 45
You dey use your book to play.
033 00 1655.
I don't forget that.
Yeah. This guy don't get so.
Let her go.
Let's do it. That's not imagination, though. Imagination.
Mama, take off the chain. Huh? Now.
Don't angry me.
And also the wristwatch. Where is the car key? I told you to come with it.
It's at home. Mama, why are you doing this now?
Why am I doing all this? You thought you're smart, right? I told you to cut ties with Vanessa. What did you do? You went to see her yesterday and you refused to break up with her.
For Mama, you know, Vanessa and I...
No, you have to choose between me or her. And if you're choosing her, mind you, you're going to lose everything. Both the cars, the house, the bike, the wristwatches, everything I've given you. Even the bike you're on right now.
Hell no, man.
Mama, of course, you know it's you. I'll choose now. I'll choose you.
You're going to choose me. And you think you're going to fool me again?
No,
this time around it's going to be on my terms.
Mama, what terms?
You're going to wear a mic, go to a house, break up with her so I could hear all the conversation.
Baby!
See, who is your baby? Who is your baby? Please don't ever call me that name again. See, if you try and call me that name again, we'll have issue. I want to tell you that I don't want to have anything to do with you in my life. Yes, I'm done with you. Don't ever call my number. If you contact me, I will call the police. Don't ever.
Oh, baby.
Please, play along.
Please, you know I love you. Please, you can't do this to me, baby. Please don't break up with me. I've given you 6 years of my life. Please, baby.
See, I don't care about this 6 years. I'm done and I am done.
Oh, baby, I love you. I love you.
I'm done.
Don't go.
Bye-bye. Mama, I've broken up with her. I think you heard everything.
God will see you. That's my boy.
Only God can set
So you can have this. And also this for the weekend. Just go shopping. And I want you to meet me at our usual spot tonight and get ready for 5 rounds.
Okay, Mama.
5 rounds.
I'm sick of pussy outside.
Let me have my mic, please.
I don't lie for you. Never do lie.
Good.
I don't lie for you.
Lamba. What is this? But I want to understand. Shit things like, okay, I know they are sugar mummies. I know say them day, you understand? But can this actually happen? If it happen, like is she that daft? Like, what are you saying? Okay, now you've succeeded in tricking her this time around. Will you still be able to trick her again? Because you will eventually find out now. She will eventually find out that you're still seeing the girl. She get money, so she gets connections. She can easily, do whatever she wants to do to find out. So it's that very easy. You understand? Well, anyway, that's kids. But I enjoyed it anyways. So this is just a glimpse of the things that are yet to come. So that's why I keep telling you guys, if you're yet to be a part of my channel, subscribe. I don't know, it will not cost you anything. Even I just subscription, you don't subscribe. Subscribe, just be a part of this, help my channel grow, you understand? And I promise I will not disappoint you guys. I always try and make sure I give you guys the best. So check out my other videos. There's so many of funny compilations on my videos, so just check them out. And don't forget to drop nice comments. See you in the next one, guys. Love and peace.